Looking for small treadmills for your tiny apartment? Then, watch our video on the best folding treadmill for small space and find a better solution for your problems. Treadmills are of different types, some of which can fit even the tightest living space. If you are running, walking, or simply want to do some extra steps, a treadmill can provide any of the workouts in your home's comfort. It's an excellent way to increase your cardio exercise to get in great shape and enviable figure and good health, but conventional treadmills are quite bulky and can occupy a bit of space in your house. The things you should always keep in mind while picking the best small space treadmill are: it must have a small footprint, equipped with robust motor with good horsepower for a smooth workout, durable, and have a fold-away design for easy storage, also endorsed by generous warranty. So, without further ado, let's get right into it.
When it comes to fitness, so much of it is about getting results. And that's why NordicTrack includes a 1-month free trial iFit membership with your purchase. iFit is personal coaching, virtual classes, destination workouts, and programs expertly crafted by some of the most professional and engaging trainers on the planet. Simply connect your phone or tablet to the treadmill via Bluetooth and be ready to work out with the likes of Tommy Rivers Pusey, Hannah Eaton, John Peel, and so many more, including me, Evan Dollard. I have workouts from California to Austria, and I cannot wait for you to check them out. Personal training in your home, where your trainer live controls your machine to match the speed, incline, and duration of each and every trainer's prescribed workout. This experience is the undeniable difference that makes the 6.5S a great treadmill to help you reach your fitness goals. Now, let's hit some key features. They truly matter, and were designed to give you the most immersive experience possible. The T6.5S has Bluetooth capability, so your trainer can control your workout and you can feel the incline all the way up to 10%. You will love the one-touch controls, which makes adjusting speed and incline as simple as a single touch. The Space Saver design is an amazing feature to keep it folded up and out of the way when you're not fully immersed with me on the picturesque island of Santorini, Greece. Interactive personal training in your home, on your time. Welcome to NordicTrack.
Get the convenience of an in-home workout and accomplish your fitness goals with the Cadence G 5.9i treadmill from Weslo. The robust 2.25 horsepower motor is powerful enough for thousands of miles of speed or endurance training. Take your run anywhere on Earth with iFit technology. Use your tablet to pick a course. You can pick workouts designed by certified personal trainers, and all of your stats are tracked automatically. Ready to burn more calories? Use the 2-position adjustable incline. And the large 16 by 50-inch deck can handle any runner's stride. But it also provides comfort cell cushioning so it reduces impact on your joints. With quick speed controls, take your run up to 10 miles per hour and choose from 6 different workout apps to mix up your routine. And stay in your target heart rate zone with the quick thumb pulse sensors. And when you're done, simply fold your treadmill with the innovative Space Saver design. And get a 1-year motor warranty and 90-day parts and labor warranty with your purchase. Take control of your fitness with the Weslo Cadence G 5.9i treadmill from Weslo.
Pack a powerful cardio workout in your own home with the SFT 4400 motorized treadmill. Shock absorption technology paired with a sturdy frame, this treadmill pushes you to your limits in complete comfort. Challenge yourself with the motor that can reach speeds up to 9 miles per hour. Increase your workout intensity with 3 levels of manual incline. Check your heart rate or increase your speed instantly with the handrail pulse sensors and quick select buttons. Glance at the multifunction backlit console to track your time, speed, and calories burned as you exercise. Vary your workout intensity by using the 9 pre-installed cardio programs. Stay engaged with your favorite apps with the tablet holder or cool down with the convenient bottle holder. When not in use, fold up the treadmill and move it out of the way with the transportation wheels. Train to become better with the SFT 4400 motorized treadmill by Sunny Health and Fitness.